But this is pop under traffic. So if you've ever heard of Propeller ads and Plug Rush and JuicyAds and ExoClick and Zero Park and all these ones, they are the cheapest traffic sources in the world. You're literally paying for traffic that gets sent in the thousands, okay? And you're paying like $1 to $10 or less depending on the country and what traffic you're getting and what you're paying for. But you can send like the cheapest traffic in the world. And if you just have really cheap bids, I'll teach you how to do this. You can email me and learn how. But basically, guys, I'm telling you right now, there's nothing that's easier than this, okay? You're spending money to make money in this scenario. It's like you spend $1 and you can make back $2 or more. That's the goal in marketing, okay? Free traffic is obviously slower, but when you pay money to make money, you win. It's just that easy. And I've been doing this for a long time. It's one of the biggest things I keep secret is like how to make money with pop under traffic, because it quite literally is the easiest to set up campaigns with. You don't have to make any ads, like banner ads and video ads. You literally just have your link and all the traffic is just sent to your link. People do mistake clicks. It's called pop under traffic. They do mistake clicks, then they get sent to your link, you make money. Okay, so you can send people to a Smartlink like this, and you could do dating, you could do cam offers, you could do mixed traffic where it's both. Basically, you want to split test all of this. And it's Smartlink for a reason. It'll send traffic to the best offers that you can get conversions with. And you're just sending traffic. You're making money from pop unders as well. And, back offers when people press the back button and stuff. So it's just crazy. And just from this right here, you can make a bunch of extra money that wouldn't be possible without it. So it's just crazy. So, if you want to make like thousands of dollars a day, potentially, I highly recommend you learn from me, basically. Okay, no one else knows it the same as I do. All right, guys, so this is Propeller ads right here, and I highly recommend this traffic source. You could do it for adult marketing or any form of CPA marketing that there is. You can literally promote top offers and just make crazy money when you know what you're doing here, because there are secrets to how to leverage this and do this. And you can use spy tools. You can check out the spy tool I recommend down below in the description. But I am telling you right now, like, I can literally just tell you exactly what to do. There's so much money here. No one knows what they're doing. I'm making tons of money just leveraging this sort of traffic source, and other traffic sources I do too, like banner traffic, video ad traffic, free traffic, content marketing. But this is literally the easiest money because it's literally just pop under traffic. You just literally have your affiliate link and you put your affiliate link right here, and you just turn off the interstitial ads. You don't even need that. And then right here, you just do exclusive inventory. And then there's secrets to how you go about other things like the countries you pick. And you could do almost any country. Then you do your daily budget, your total campaign budget. The platform you choose to use is desktop or mobile. Desktop traffic is good for like cost per sale offers, but you really want to do lead generation offers, which works for both of these. And you can make multiple campaigns. You can receive a ton of traffic, and Propeller ads is not all. Like, there's other traffic sources you can leverage and absolutely crush it with. And there's secrets to how you set this stuff up. You can do super granular targeting with all this stuff right here, but there's secrets to a few things like how you bid and what you pick right here and how you do that. Like, there's secrets to how you target this stuff. And there's so many mistakes people make, and even the times a day that you're supposed to run the campaign for. So if you want to know exactly what to do, I highly, highly, highly recommend Get the Done For You campaigns, because it's just extra money for me, and then it helps you make money. I'm only incentivized to share the secret stuff, if you are willing to, get the paid information, the mentorships, because that's where I actually share the most powerful stuff. And this is basically priceless information because, give a man a fish, feed him for a day, teach a man to freaking fish, you're going to feed him for a lifetime. And this is like teaching you how to fish. There are secrets to how to fish, and this is how. So this one good traffic source is a lot more. So here's also another very powerful traffic source for pop under traffic and other forms of traffic, and it's called JuicyAds. And dude, they've got tons of traffic here that you can leverage and absolutely crush it with. And this is one of the most secretive ones. Like, people can make big money leveraging JuicyAds because no one knows how to do it. No one knows how to go about buying the ads, buying ad space, and moving forward with it all. Okay, this one's the confusing one to a lot of people. Propeller ads is easier for many people to do, but this one's the secret one. There's other secret traffic sources for sure, and new ones that pop up are powerful to use because they could be even cheaper. But this is as cheap as it gets, is pop under traffic. And you can just send people directly to your links. All you need is either a smart link or specific top performing offers that you get the right traffic for, and you just send it and you're making a profit. Every single time you spend $1, you're making a profit is the goal. And the testing phase is super easy too. You're just testing like links, guys. You're not making ads, not making video ads, you're just testing links.